Good morning, everyone. We are in math class, and the topic for today is how can you determine whether a given number makes an equation true? Okay, what is this talking about? Okay, this topic is about to find the value of a variable. If you can see in the whiteboard, I have an exercise that you can find on page 87, and this is the exercise number 1. Okay, in this exercise, you will replace the variable with the values shown in the exercise, with this one. Okay, so we have to find the value of the variable that add with 4.09 will be 5.6. Okay, let's do the exercise. Okay, so I'm going to take the first value or the first number of my value. So I will have 0.7, okay, plus 4.09. So I'm going to make the addition. The result is 4.79. If you can see here, this answer is not the same that with this one. So the value is incorrect. So this is not the value that we can substitute with the variable. Okay? We are going to continue to looking for this value. Now, I'm going to take the other value, 0.97. So I'm going to make the addition. The answer is 5.06. If you can see here, this answer is not the same than this one. So it is incorrect. So this is not the value to substitute the variable. So we have to continue looking for the answer. Now we are going to try with the other number, 1.51. So I'm going to make the addition, and the result is 5.60. If you can see here, this result or this answer is the same that this one. So this is the answer, and this is the value that we have to substitute in the variable. Okay, here we have another exercise. It's the exercise number 2 on page 87. Here we have the variable that is k, and these are the values that we have to make the substitution. So let's start. Okay, we are going to substitute the values in the variable. Okay, we have 11. If you can see here, we have a multiplication. Okay, so we are going to make the operation. 5 times 11, it's equal to 55. If you can see here, this answer is not the same as this one. So this is the incorrect value to substitute the variable. Okay, so we are going to continue looking for the answer. Now we make the substitution with 12. So 5 times 12 it's equal 60. If you can see here, this result is not the same as this one. So the answer is incorrect, and this is not the value that we have to substitute in the variable. So we have to continue looking for the correct answer. So we are going to substitute by 13. 5 times 13 it's equal to 65. As you can see here, this answer is the same as this one. So this is the correct answer, and this is the value that we are going to substitute in the variable. Okay, we have another example. Is the exercise 15 that you can find on page 85. So we have this equation, and this is the variable, and these are the values that we have to substitute in the variable. So we are going to start making the operation. Okay, we have this one. So we are going to substitute the value in the variable, and we are going to mathematical operation. So 16.55 minus 12.15 it's equal to 4.10. If you can see here, this answer is the same as this one. So this is correct. So this is the value that we are going to find in the variable. So in this way, the guys have to complete the exercises of page 85 and 87. They have to make a substitution in order to get the result that is shown in the equation that is given in the math book. The values are also shown in each exercise. If you have any question, please call me or send me a message. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.